Well, we've had some on and off showers throughout the day, but the radar is pretty clear right now. Tomorrow, though, the rain chances really pick up. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo back with our full forecast. Hi, Kate.
Hi there, Joe. Yeah, we'll be tracking scattered showers and storms throughout the day tomorrow. It's not, once again, a total washout. But tomorrow is a little different than today in that any of these storms that do fire up could turn severe. There is a lot more available energy for storms to strengthen tomorrow than what we saw today. Today has been kind of cloudy and cool and dreary and damp all day long, scattered showers. We're not seeing any showers in the city right now. It's 72 degrees in Philadelphia. The dew point is a slightly more humid 55, and there's a light breeze out of the south-southwest. So again, zooming in here on Storm Scan 3, most of the showers we saw earlier have moved on out. As we widen out, you can see down to the south, there is a little batch of showers we'll be watching that could clip southern Delaware, but again, that's non-severe. What we're watching for tomorrow is this system to the west. Now, this is not an organized line of storms that's going to track across the region. This will mainly be in the afternoon, the chance for a few scattered storms to fire up, especially west of the city, downwind of the Appalachian Mountains, where we are going to see more sunshine tomorrow, and thus more instability and more possible energy for these storms to strengthen. So here are your threats for tomorrow: damaging wind, large hail, intense lightning, heavy rain with any cell that does fire up, and an isolated tornado. But there are some limiting factors, which we'll get to in just a minute. Taking you through tonight, there may be a couple of showers and storms even early tomorrow morning. That's about 4 a.m. down the shore. Clipped with showers and storms down the shore about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Most of this stays south of the city, though there will be a couple of showers further to the north. What this may do is stabilize the atmosphere a bit, so we don't have quite as much possible instability for storms as they fire up later on in the day. Here's 3 p.m. and you can see a couple of storms firing up, again, downwind of the mountains, tracking over our western suburbs, and these are the ones that have the best potential to turn severe late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. You will notice that they are not everywhere. They are scattered, just a few storms, but any one of these could turn briefly severe even into late tomorrow night. So make sure you're with us through the day tomorrow. Here are the severe factors: periods of storms, one round in the morning, another round in the late afternoon, evening. A few are possibly severe. A lot of this depends on the coverage of the storms in the morning and how much the atmosphere stabilizes. Will it get unstable enough in the afternoon for these storms to fire up? Here's what we're looking at. This is CAPE, what we call CAPE, convective available potential energy. How much fuel is there for storms? And you can see most of this tomorrow afternoon and evening is concentrated to the west. So where you see these blue areas, these are the spots that have the greatest potential of seeing severe weather tomorrow afternoon. These are the areas that will warm up the most. Temperatures get into the 80s and things are a bit unstable. So any storm that does turn severe, the threats: heavy rain especially, strong winds, and cannot rule out a brief isolated tornado. This is not a major widespread severe weather outbreak, more scattered showers and storms that could turn briefly severe. Monday is mostly sunny. I am concerned about a weak disturbance Tuesday that could touch off a shower or storm. Then we're back to sunshine Wednesday, isolated thunderstorms Thursday, and then a better chance Friday with a cold front. But it does look like we'll clear it out just in time for next weekend. Joe, we'll send it back to you.
Kate, thank you so much.